When you vote for me, the Mallard, you're voting for all the great heroes of our land. Hard-working folks in the dairy industry and the beef industry. Plus, out of all the candidates, I have the best local connections. Yes, from the mushrooms grown in good old Chester County to the pretzel rolls right here in beautiful Lancaster County. Plus, I got bacon. Bacon, that's right. And a vote for me is a vote for all pretzel sandwiches. We may not be part of the original flock, but we sure have made a change since we've come to Isaac's, huh? So vote for Mallard for your top bird, and let cheddar make it better.